Ride. Ride. Riding a bike is a fun and healthy way to stay active.
Turn on. Turn on. I always make sure to turn on the light before reading a book.
Turn off. Turn off. She turned off the light and settled into bed for a good night's sleep.
Knock. Knock. He gave a gentle knock on the door and waited for someone to answer.
Crawl. Crawl. The baby is learning to crawl on the living room floor.
Sew. Sew. She grabbed her sewing machine and started to sew a beautiful dress.
Pull. Pull. With teamwork, they successfully pulled the rope across the field.
Push. Push. They pushed the heavy boxes across the room, one by one.
Pour. Pour. Carefully, he poured the milk into a glass, avoiding any spills.
Paint. Paint. She loves to paint beautiful landscapes using watercolors.
Stroll. Stroll. In the evening, they often go for a romantic stroll hand in hand.
Swing. Swing. The boy had a big smile on his face as he swung back and forth on the playground swing.
Kiss. Kiss. With a loving smile, the couple kissed each other on their anniversary.
Jog. Jog. He likes to jog around the park to keep himself fit and active.
Sweep. Sweep. He picked up the broom and started to sweep the floor.
Wait. Wait. Whenever she was running late, he would patiently wait for her without complaints.
Stand up. Stand up. He stood up from his chair and walked confidently to the front of the room.
Sit down. Sit down. She decided to sit down and relax after a long day at work.
Pee. Pee. He rushed to the toilet because he needed to pee urgently.
Throw away. Throw away. After the party, they gathered the trash and threw it away in the bin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more language learning tips and inspiration. Keep shining and keep learning.